Hi everyone, I'm Andi Gutmans, General Manager and VP of Engineering for Databases at Google Cloud. Thank you for joining us for Google Cloud Next. We have some exciting product announcements to share with you in this session. Digital innovators are disrupting traditional industries in new ways because of their ability to use data and software to deliver new digital customer experiences. Customers expect personalized and seamless experiences across their devices in all places and at all times. To deliver these next-generation digital experiences, developers need to be empowered to build apps faster by leveraging fully managed databases, use their existing skills and investments, and build their apps for success with databases that were designed to power the most demanding workloads in the world. We offer best-in-class databases for always-on applications with global reach and unlimited scale. Google Cloud is committed to open source and open standards. We offer managed services that are fully compatible with the most popular open source engines, such as MySQL, Postgres, and Redis. We manage the complexity of running your database so that they are simple to use and operate and make app development faster and easier for you. Leading organizations in all regions and industries have placed their trust in our databases, and our databases remain one of the fastest growing segments of Google Cloud. In the newly published Gartner 2021 Scorecard for Operational Databases, Google Cloud received an overall score of 90 out of 100, which is higher than the score of the largest alternative cloud provider. Google Cloud met 100% of the required criteria outlined by Gartner. Also, Gartner predicts that 75% of databases will be deployed or migrated to a cloud platform by next year. Imagine 40 years of databases placed on premises being superseded by cloud databases in such a short duration. It's amazing. Our customers' journey to undergo data-driven transformation typically involves 3 steps. The first step, migrate, is there to help customers move existing applications and databases to the cloud, frequently on a tight timeline. Customers need a fast-track approach to lift and shift what they're running today to the cloud. This as-is migration already adds tremendous value, even if it doesn't provide the full benefits of cloud-native capabilities. Once migrated, many of our customers seek to modernize their database environments by transitioning off expensive legacy databases and onto open source databases. For customers looking to build next-gen applications entirely in the cloud, they're in the transform phase. This is about unlocking new possibilities and competitive differentiation. It's about delivering new transformational customer experiences and innovative business models. For your existing databases that you need to easily migrate to a fully managed cloud service, we offer Cloud SQL with full compatibility for MySQL, Postgres, and SQL Server. It is one of the fastest growing large services in Google Cloud. Cloud SQL offers easy integration with existing apps and Google Cloud services like Google Kubernetes Engine and BigQuery. More than 650,000 GKE pods securely connect to Cloud SQL. And BigQuery users query over 125 petabytes of data in Cloud SQL on average in a month, using our federated querying capabilities. We've invested heavily in improving Cloud SQL and making it enterprise-ready for your demanding workloads. In the past 12 months, we have introduced capabilities such as cross-region replicas, point-in-time recovery, customer-managed encryption keys, VPC service controls, and IAM support. We have significantly improved the maintenance experience for customers and given them maintenance controls. Cloud SQL maintenance is on average 80% shorter than it was 12 months ago. And maintenance for MySQL and Postgres is now shorter than that of competing offerings from other cloud providers based on figures published in online documentation as of August 2021. Earlier this year, we launched industry-leading observability with Cloud SQL Insights for Postgres. It empowers developers to address database performance issues themselves at no additional cost. This has become one of the fastest adopted new capabilities in Cloud SQL, and we look forward to delivering equivalent functionality across more database engines. In addition, we recently introduced Cloud SQL cost recommenders with Active Assist that empowers developers to better manage costs. We have made migrations to Cloud SQL easier and faster with the Database Migration Service. This offers a simple experience with minimal downtime for reliable and predictable migrations to Cloud SQL. It is serverless, secure, and offered at no additional charge. More than 85% of all migrations are underway in under an hour, and a majority of customers are migrating databases from other clouds. Database Migration Service currently supports MySQL and Postgres databases, with support for SQL Server migrations coming soon. For customers bringing Oracle workloads to Google Cloud, we offer our bare metal solution for Oracle that allows you to run Oracle databases the same way you do it on premises, but cost-effectively and with less than 2 milliseconds latency to all of your GCP services. Bare metal solution enables you to continue using your existing Oracle technologies, such as RAC, DataGuard, and RMAN. For workloads that require microsecond latency, we offer MemoryStore. MemoryStore is fully compatible with Redis and Memcache and offers an easy migration destination for your Redis and Memcache workloads. MemoryStore is a scalable, secure, highly available in-memory service that is used by 90% of the top 100 cloud customers. We recently announced a preview of DataStream, a serverless change data capture and replication service. With DataStream, you can easily and seamlessly deliver change data streams from your Oracle and MySQL databases into Google Cloud services, such as BigQuery, Cloud SQL, Google Cloud Storage, and Spanner. The serverless architecture of DataStream transparently scales up or down as data volumes shift in real time. Now let's discuss our transformative databases and how they can help you transform your business models and the digital experiences for your users. Today, your business-critical applications may need to serve millions of users across the globe and process data volumes that are an order of magnitude higher than just a few years ago. New, always-on business models require these applications to be reliable, secure, and continuously available. Your applications need to scale seamlessly and sustain high performance, even during unexpected spikes in demand. We give you access to the same databases that power the most demanding Google applications like Search, YouTube, Gmail, Maps, and Payments. Google had to invent these databases because traditional databases were not designed to handle these demands for scale, availability, and performance. We offer not one, but 3 such transformative databases: Spanner, Bigtable, and Firestore. All 3 of them have a common set of highly differentiated core attributes, like industry-leading 5 nines availability SLAs, no maintenance downtime, unlimited scale, automatic sharding, zero-touch global replication, automatic failover, superior price performance, and enhanced security and compliance. Spanner is our fully managed relational database that offers the familiarity and developer experience of a relational database and the scalability of a NoSQL database. Spanner enables unlimited scale so you can easily accommodate future growth without painful re-architecting, adjust your capacity on the fly, and pay for only what you use. It allows you to deliver high-performance transactions with strong consistency across regions and continents, so you can simplify operations and place data close to your users. Our enterprise customers in financial services, gaming, retail, technology, and many other industries run some of their most demanding operational workloads on Spanner. With Spanner, you can spend less time worrying about how to scale your database and instead focus on scaling your business. As wonderful and unique as Spanner is, it wasn't the most accessible database for developers. We wanted developers to be able to start small with Spanner, so they could design their applications for success from the get-go. To this end, we recently introduced more granular instance sizing for Spanner to democratize access to it. With more granular instance sizing, you can start at 1/10 the cost of regular instances, equating to approximately $65 per month. This means you can start small and easily scale your Spanner instance as your workload grows, with no downtime. Developers love the scale and availability of Spanner, but they wanted to take advantage of Spanner using their familiar open tools and their existing skill set. Therefore, to continue this theme of democratizing access to Spanner, we're excited to announce the preview of a Postgres interface for Spanner starting today. This empowers developers to take advantage of Google's transformative relational database using standard tools and skills from the popular Postgres ecosystem. This interface combines the power and reliability of Spanner with the familiarity and portability of Postgres to enhance flexibility. By providing a Postgres interface, we're democratizing access to Spanner for millions of developers and ISVs. Starting today, you can create Spanner databases that use PostgreSQL dialect and connect with its OpenWire protocol. This interface supports Spanner's rich feature set using most popular Postgres data types and SQL features. Postgres interface for Spanner is available at no additional charge. What this means is that for your Postgres workloads, we offer you not one, but 2 fully managed services. For maximum compatibility with open source Postgres, and for the easiest lift and shift migrations, you have Cloud SQL for Postgres. For your most demanding workloads, where you need unlimited scale and 5 nines availability SLAs, we offer Spanner with its new Postgres interface that allows you to leverage your skills and investments in the Postgres ecosystem. We're super excited about our rich Postgres offerings. Now, for apps that require consistent single-digit millisecond latencies and need to support millions of requests per second, we offer Bigtable. Bigtable is our fully managed NoSQL database for large operational and analytical workloads, and it's HBase compatible. Bigtable is uniquely capable of powering use cases like personalization at scale and fraud detection. We're excited to share that auto-scaling is coming soon to Bigtable. This will allow Bigtable to automatically add or remove capacity in response to changing demands of your workloads, so you'll only pay for the capacity you need. We talked about the importance of the velocity of your application iteration. For rapid app development, we offer Firestore, our fully managed, scalable, serverless document database. Firestore is beloved by developers because of its ability to serve both as a document database and a backend as a service. Firestore enables offline support with real-time synchronization. An example of how much developers love Firestore is that Firestore has more than 250,000 monthly active developers. And Firestore apps power more than 750 million monthly active users using Firebase authentication. Not only is Firestore extremely developer-friendly, but we're also focusing on making Firestore more enterprise-friendly. We're introducing a number of enhancements to Firestore for greater enterprise readiness. With that, I'd like to introduce one of our most innovative customers who has successfully accomplished a data-driven cloud transformation. It is my pleasure to invite Kumar Menon, SVP of Data Fabric and Decision Science Technology at Equifax. Kumar, thank you for joining us today. We would love to hear about Equifax's innovation that you and your team have been driving in partnership with us.
Thank you, Andy. I wanted to start off by giving you some background on Equifax and the transformation we are under. Equifax is a leading data analytics and technology company and is one of the 3 biggest credit rating agencies. We are present in 24 countries worldwide. In 2018, we embarked on a massive company-wide transformation to modernize our technology. This was a result of an unfortunate breach incident in 2017, which brought the global spotlight onto our company. Due to the oversight that was placed on us and the need for us to ensure we are good custodians of the high fidelity data we have, we realized that patching and modifying our legacy systems would not be a sustainable solution. We made the bold decision to adopt a cloud-first strategy and rewrite all of our data platforms and associated applications leveraging a cloud-native architecture. Our legacy systems were operated in silos, which made it difficult to effectively innovate and monetize our differentiated data assets through new multi-data products. So we also took this as an opportunity to reorganize our data under a common enterprise domain model onto a single global data fabric with the security and automated governance baked into the architecture. The goal was to make it easier for our data and analytics and product teams to innovate and deliver new products faster, thus helping our customers and consumers make better decisions. Here's what our end-to-end data flow looks like. The data fabric is at the heart of the Equifax value chain. If you look at this illustration from left to right, the data fabric helps us ingest different domains of data we bring into our ecosystem in a consistent, reliable, highly performant, governed, compliant, and secure manner, so that our product, data analytics, and business teams can leverage the synergies of all the data assets to innovate and deliver products that our customers need. In short, we want global data at our fingertips. Equifax Cloud will enable our product innovation, growth, and competitiveness. The data fabric platform is pivotal to the Equifax business model going forward. Why is the Equifax data fabric a game changer? Let me give you a few examples. Equifax has moved from 80+ data silos, enabling multiple sources of data to be standardized and organized into a seamless data fabric with logical separation and governing rules. The structure drastically simplifies our architecture and gives Equifax the ability to act quickly to address customer, regulatory, and security needs. We will achieve bolt-on mergers and acquisitions with better and faster integrations than ever before, accelerating our growth tremendously. Now let's look at a more technical view of the data fabric and see how we have leveraged GCP-managed database services to deliver our analytics and operational workloads. Let me break this down for you from top to bottom. The data fabric services shown here help curate the raw data we collect across the various domains, such as credit, employment, wealth, utilities, etc., to name a few. We then key and link the data, which is a form of entity resolution process that helps us identify a single unique instance of an entity, for example, a unique consumer identity, across all the domains of data we collect. This data is then made available for predictive models and real-time decisioning as a set of purpose-specific views with the regulatory rules applied, thus ensuring permissible use. This low-latency, high-value ecosystem leverages Cloud Bigtable as the core data store, and the pipelines are built in Cloud Data Flow. The Cloud Bigtable's scalable architecture and its support for customer-managed encryption keys help us provide a resilient, reliable, and secure data platform to support highly stringent millisecond SLAs that our customers demand from us. The data fabric is tightly coupled with our Ignite and our analytics services, which is used by our data scientists for feature engineering and building predictive models, which can be deployed into our decisioning systems, facilitating a full MLOps ecosystem. The data lake that powers Ignite is built on BigQuery. Our enterprise catalog services are built on Cloud SQL. This is what you see in the middle of this picture. It houses all of the metadata for our data, features, and models, plus the rules that are applied on our data. This provides the auditability and the automated governance capability. This design gives Equifax a leading position as a data analytics and technology company in a highly regulated space. Finally, I wanted to leave you with some metrics of where we would be before when we are finally migrated onto this platform. We are looking at 75+ data fabric services deployed in 7 regions, supporting the 24 countries we operate in. We would have 10+ billions of observations keyed using almost 90,000+ keying and linking rules, enabling us to manage 800+ million unique identities globally. We are well into our journey with significant production traffic coming soon. We have an aggressive plan to grow the company via acquisitions and organically. The partnership we've had with Google through this entire journey has been great. Both our engineering teams have been able to collaborate closely to achieve these capabilities. And this seamless access to the product engineering teams at Google have been key. We have invested in a long-term relationship with Google and look forward to a symbiotic partnership. Thank you for having me, and hope you guys found this presentation useful.
Kumar, thank you for sharing your story of data-driven cloud transformation. It's truly inspiring. We look forward to our ongoing partnership with you and Equifax. At heart, Google is a data company. When it comes to managing data, we had to solve some of the most difficult problems. We reimagined databases and invented Spanner, a database that gives you the best of relational and non-relational databases. Our databases benefit from disaggregated compute and storage and our privately owned global network to improve performance, scalability, security, and availability. What all this means is that when you adopt our cloud databases, you immediately benefit from our long-standing culture of engineering excellence and innovation. There is a lot more exciting content waiting for you in the upcoming sessions. I invite you to join these sessions to learn more about Google Cloud Databases. And I would like to thank you for joining us at Google Cloud Next. We hope to partner with you to accelerate your data-driven business transformation. Thank you.